Color grading and color correction are two different things. In color correction, we adjust our exposure, color temperature, and overall contrast that we got. But in color grading, we create emotion, we create theme, and we do storytelling. Whenever we shoot a film or you got any clips from direct from the camera, there are three stages that you work on to color grade your footage. First one is to conversion from log to Rec 709 or in any other codec in which you want to edit. What I do in my workflow, I convert it into DaVinci Intermediate and then work on it. And at the very end, I add in CSC out node and then convert it into Rec 709. I will take you through whole process. So let's go over screen, and right now I will show you what's the difference between color grading and color correction and the log files. So right here on my screen, I've got a split screen of two images in which one is ungraded. This is the log file from camera. As you can see, I have changed the color space here to black magic design and the gamma to black magic design film. You can change it to whatever you like, and in this I have used only one CST, and this is directly into Rec 709. Either you can use here or at the very end. I would suggest to use at the very end. This is the previous film. That's why it is already done, so that's why I'm not changing anything. This is just to show you. This right here is Rec 709 and it's color corrected. If I show you from the very start, so this is a log file that I got from my camera. So right now I have changed it into Rec 709, so I will name it CST. And this right here is the exposure. Second node, I'll name it. And third one, I have changed the colors to make them look natural. Mostly hue versus hue and hue versus saturation are mostly done in color grading to get the desired look. If you want a muted colors or more saturated colors, but I did it here on the third node to make the colors look natural and close to what I think are natural. So you can name it as color adjustment. And the third node, this is S curve, and these four are for color grading. So you see I have given it a little bit of dramatic kind of thriller kind of look, in which I have got blues in the shadows and warm in the skin tones, and I have achieved that using four nodes. First one is film look creator, so second node is Dehancer Pro. Here you can see I will also show you how to do without Dehancer Pro. So this is right now codec vision 3, this film look, and here you can see codec 2383. I have choose that there are three or two looks. One is Fujifilm that we mostly see in La La Land, or Joker film in which you use Fujifilm film paper, and other one is codec 2383. This is a little bit contrasty and rich in color and more saturated and more contrasty, but in Fujifilm you get a little bit of muted colors, more into bluer tones, but in codec you get more of into warm tones. So that's why I kept it right now codec film, because it was giving the vibe of what I want. And third note, this is split toning, in which I add blue to the shadows and warm into the highlights and mid tones. And this last node is basically the saturation of the black points and the most highlighted points, so you don't get over blue or over warm in this. So as you can see here, I have balanced that. In these tutorials, I will show you how to avoid the beginner mistakes in which they directly apply light to the log file, and how to understand the color codecs and how your workflow should be, and how many steps are required, and how to get your desired look or to not oversaturate your film, or how to take your film according to the storytelling or theme or overall vibe of the scene, or the intensity of the scene, if it's a noir, if it's a drama, if it's a romantic. So it's totally based, the color grading is totally based on the storyline and how director wants it, and we color grade it to achieve the desired mood or the emotion that director or the filmmaker wants to portray. So yeah, I will guide you through all of that. So stick around and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.